Hello, good afternoon to you. Time now for business. After several threats by the managers of the Ghana Stock Exchange to delist aluminum manufacturing firm Aluworks from trading on the Bears, its managing director Kwesi Oku is upbeat the company will implement strategies to ensure it strengthens capacity on the capital market. According to him, the situation of the company can be blamed on unfair trade practices by some aluminum manufacturing companies, coupled with the fact that Ghana is being used as a dumping ground for some products that can be manufactured locally.
The GSC has given an ultimatum of up to the end of May this year for the company to come up with strategies for transforming and improving its performance or be delisted from trading. The threat follows the poor performance of the company and other listed entities on the Ghanaian Bears. According to managers of the stock exchange, failure to implement strategies to turn around the company will be faced with sanctions. However, in an exclusive interview with Joy Business, Kwesi Oku disclosed that the Ghanaian aluminium manufacturer is preparing to get back on track.
What are the strategies? We're in business. So we have been doing a lot to make sure that we can stay alive and stay relevant.
On the stock exchange?
Everywhere. The GITC is a very big part of that. We are going to be pushing full speed because as soon as the level playground is established, our tonnages will go straight back up where they used to be because of the quality. They'll go straight back up where they used to be.
So you're hopeful of coming back on the stock exchange?
Not hopeful. I can assure you that we are going to come back with a bang. We used to be the darling of the stock exchange, and we will once again become the darling of the stock exchange, especially because the GITC is coming. But not only that, there are other strategies that we are working on now, which I can't disclose for now. I can't disclose them with you for now because they have to see a level of fruition. Then we can start talking.
He has also been responding to the issue of inferior goods that find their way into the Ghanaian market.
It comes here cheap and inferior. A lot of my customers, if you poll them, will tell you that they want to buy from us because our quality is good. And therefore, they are happy that the GITC has come up and the prices will now be fair. Because although they get things cheap, they get it cheap at a cost. If you buy cheap stuff, your production becomes very expensive because maybe you can only use about 2/3 of it. 1/3 is bad. Now, if you import from China and 1/3 is bad, it's very difficult to ship it back to China for it to be replaced. You've lost. So, a lot of them actually have been trying to pass off the bad stuff to me in Aluworks as if they bought it from us. Unfortunately, we have technical standards that tell us that this one is from here, this one is not from here, and we reject those ones.
The Association of Ghana Industries, AGI, has therefore vowed to deal with the challenge of dumping, which has become a major setback for Ghanaian industries. Ebenezer Sabute's report for Joy Business.
Filipino firm Meralco is expected to open talks with government over its planned takeover of ECG. This was after it was selected by the Millennium Development Authority, MIDA, as the preferred winner of the bidding contest. Meralco has to invest more than $500 million to acquire 51% stake in the ECG. Meralco is also fully to take over ECG from January next year if it is able to meet all the requirements put forward by government. Chief Executive of MIDA, Martin Ison Benjamin, tells Joy Business government would have to decide whether it wants to work with Meralco.
The government is giving out an asset, and therefore they put their best foot forward by bringing the right people together to negotiate the right terms with preferred bidder, after which the document would then have to go before cabinet, for cabinet to look at the agreement that they've reached, and having done that, pass this on to parliament. For Parliament is also to discuss the document and the agreement before it's finalized.
So you talked about preferred company. Could it be that at the end of the process, this company might not be the final settled on?
You're giving me a conditional to address. I don't sit in these type of processes. If at the end of the day, the government doesn't find the company worthy enough to do whatever it's supposed to do, that decision will be taken. But for now, this is the company that we are putting forward.
That's all in business for now. Coming your way shortly on the marketplace with more business. My name is Emmanuel Abuaji.